Yeah, yeah, you are audible. You are audible now.
Okay. So, are we good to start?
Sure, sure, Madhu.
Sorry, your name is also Madhu.
That's right. That's right. Myself, Madhu.
I thought twice it is showing, so I just confused.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Yeah,
One second. Huh? Let me share my screen.
sure, sure.
Uh, Sorry, I just forgot. Can you please introduce? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Madhu. Yeah, myself, Madhu. So I was working as a storage engineer for Delhi MC for around 12 years. I took a break of 2 years. Now, currently, it's almost 2 years. I'm on a break. So I came across SAP S4HANA PPM, and it was quite interesting. And I thought I should learn and upskill myself in this domain. So that is the reason I took this training, Madhu.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
and I want to pursue my career in the same domain going further. That's the reason I wanted to take up this course.
Okay. So I hope you already gone through my demo sessions and all, right?
A bit of a kind of, yes.
So let me introduce myself. I am Madhu. I have a total of 17 years of experience regarding SAP, PS, PPM, CPM, and FICO modules. Okay. Currently, I am working one of the MNC,
All right.
and so we're going to start from this ePPM. Okay.
Sure.
So, do you have any knowledge for the SAP PS and this basic of this? What exactly the ePPM?
To be honest, I do not have any knowledge. I am quite fresher to this, but yes, I have gone through your demo, and basically, it's about the portfolios and the project making. I mean, you some if I take an example, like if some company comes in for their for managing their organization. So you basically take their portfolio, you create the project for them, and you support them using this SAP S4 HANA.
Okay, somehow it is okay.
Okay.
Let me explain you.
Sure.
So, why exactly the portfolio management will try to use? For suppose, like as a layman terminology, I can say, if I wanted to introduce some product into the market, okay,
Okay.
okay, say example like mutual funds. So
Mm-hmm.
if I wanted to introduce some mutual funds into the market, okay, first
Mm-hmm.
I need to do the thorough research into that, okay,
Mm-hmm.
whether this portfolio will be performed or not, okay, how many
Correct.
resources should be required, what is the budget is required, what is the timeline, what is the ROI, return on investment, what is my net present value, okay, these are the
Mm-hmm.
high level. I'm just giving an example, but in the layman you will say, if you come to me like can you please take this portfolio for this one, so I will say what is the rate of interest, okay, and what will be the ROI, return of investments,
Mm-hmm.
entire for my yearly plan. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then you will explain me each and everything. Correct.
Okay.
Similarly, if you go to the any organizations, the organizations will also do its thorough R&D. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
to introduce before introducing into the product into the market. So what they will do, they will do the financial aspects as well as the their project technical aspects, each and everything.
Okay.
After that, they will assess the risk. What is the risk if I'm going to introduce this product into the market?
Mhm.
Specific locations also. It is may not be this location may be suit, may not be
Mhm.
this location may not be suit. So
Okay.
based on all these aspects, then
Mm-hmm.
the every stakeholder will take some sort of any decisions whether we need to introduce or not. They're taking the initiatives. Okay, all these parameter is satisfying. Okay,
Okay.
then they will introduce into the market.
Right.
Right. So introducing into the market, before that we have to do the thorough testings, thorough all your assessments. Once this
Right.
assessment cycles has been completed, then
Mm-hmm.
only you're going to introduce into market, right?
Correct.
So that's what this portfolio management will be introduced. The portfolio management, what it will do, it
Mhm.
will give you a broader picture. Okay.
Okay.
So how many resources is required? What is the timelines of those projects? Okay.
Mhm.
R&D or maybe a capex or maybe opex, whatever
Mhm.
kind of a projects you might have. Okay.
Okay.
And it will also give you a financial point of view. Okay,
Okay.
like you might have this much of a budget. Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
are expecting these many projects should be completed within these timelines. Okay,
Right.
and you are allocating some sort of a budget. You are allocating the resources. You are taking the all the licenses, each and everything, right? Then
Mm.
you try to it might be a capex kind of a project, it might be OpEx or customer billable. If it's a customer billable, then you will think what is my net present values, okay? What is my ROI, return on investments. So
Mm-hmm.
based on that, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you will go with the thoroughly gate by gate. Gate is nothing but every stakeholders will take a some sort of an approval for that. Okay,
Okay.
to that particular phase, say like it is a kickoff phase. So under the kickoff phase, maybe you have submitted some documents to the your stakeholders.
Okay.
So then they will approve. So the first gate has been approved. Then you come to the BBP phase, okay, or a preparation phase.
Mm-hmm.
So under the preparation phase, again you will do the thorough all these testings and each and everything. Then you submit it. What is the budget is required for these projects and all. Then your stakeholder has been approved. Then you proceed further. That is called a stage gate process. So every stage gate process has to be the process. Then you will execute that into the real project.
Okay.
Till that time it is on a virtual on paper, it is going with this kind of anything. Okay, because it is an integrated with all the department. Just assume like if you don't have any portfolio management, leave it this SAP one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you don't have any portfolio management tool, then how difficult you to communicate each and every department.
Okay.
Correct. So
So
that,
basically, in this portfolio, you have communication with all the departments, right? From the finance, or it may be the resource management, HR, everything like that, right?
yes, every department has to involve into this. This tool
Mhm.
has a privilege, like it will provide you all this integration point of view, and you are the generating this one. Means for suppose if you're creating a one portfolio, under that you're creating some sort of initiatives or a projects. Okay. Under
Okay.
that you are doing the all sort of plannings. So for
Right.
suppose you need a 10 resources. The 10
Mhm.
resources you will going to generate, and that RFP process will go to the your HR team.
Okay.
So RFP, if it is good for the, sorry, if it is goes to the your HR team, the
Mm-hmm.
HR team will looks into that and he will say, okay, you might be required these many consultants or these many engineers. This kind of an information you are passing to them.
Okay.
And once they are going to fulfill that requirement, that you're going to assign them into the project, and they will book their timesheets. So according that, their cost will be booked against your project.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay, so this
Mm.
is a system landscape. Okay, before I come to this system landscape, first you need to understand what is the ePPM.
Okay.
So ePPM consists of five different modules. Okay,
Mhm.
enterprise portfolio and project management. This ePPM is a S4 HANA business suite.
Okay.
Under this, we have a 5 different models like SAP PS, PPM, CPM, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and innovation management, and one technical one that is called ECP connector. So
Okay.
if you wanted to integrate this ePPM suite to the any other third party, say like a Primavera or MS projects, might be you
Mhm.
heard, right?
Yeah.
So MS projects, if you wanted to synchronize the data, okay, in that case, that ECP connector is required.
Okay.
Okay, so that is called a ePPM, Enterprise Portfolio and Project Management. Under this, 5 different models we have. Now, what is the system landscape? So, if you introducing ePPM, like if you are implementing by default all these models, okay, ePPM, every models will get into earlier like we have to in ECC individual models like for PPM, CPM, PS, okay, all this we need to install, okay, into that
Okay.
particular server, maybe a different server.
Mm.
Then you have to link with this RFC connections. Now in S4 HANA, okay, this RFC connection is not required until and unless if the if you're keeping this box like this ppm tool is you keeping separate server, then this RFC connection is required, otherwise it's not required. But by default all this ePPM whatever this 5 consistent models you have, right, every
Right.
models will be by default you will get it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So earlier in PPM module, we used to have this RFC for connecting to different modules. But in
No,
a
no, not two different models. It can be connect to the 2 different models, or it can be a different landscapes also. Okay.
oh, okay,
So for
completely new
suppose
landscape.
landscapes also. For suppose like this PPM portfolio and project management, you're
Mm-hmm.
keeping into a different server. Okay, and your SAP PS is kept in a different server. In that
Okay.
case, this RFC is required.
Okay. So when we are implementing S4 HANA here, so it is not required. The RFC is not required.
Not
It is
required.
pre-integrated altogether.
Yes, all it is a pre-integrated and by default it will come. Only you have to pay the licenses cost.
Okay. Even for different landscape, it is like pre-integrated.
Sorry, can you repeat once again?
Yeah. For so you said in the earlier PPMs. So for different landscapes, we needed RFC, right? So
Yes.
if
To connect
if
with your S4 HANA
uh,
and this portfolio man. Actually, this portfolio and project managers is not completely owned by SAP.
okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
that's the reason this PPM tool was kept in a different box, different server.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Similarly, there are a lot of like a success factor. Success factor is not completely part of your S4. Okay. It is a different box actually.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to pay the extra licenses for that.
Okay.
Similarly, this this PPM along with the CPM is
Mhm.
not completely owned by the SAP. Some 70-80% stake is there. Okay.
Okay.
So SAP has taken from the one of the Israel-based company.
Oh, okay.
That they have developed this tool and they have integrated. Now in S4 HANA, okay, this tool has completely part of the same landscape itself only. You no need to create a different landscapes or a different
Okay.
server. Then you need to install this PPM.
Okay.
So
But
by
everything
default,
is
you'll get
licensed.
so by default you will get this ePPM.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay, from
Got it.
2024 onwards, okay,
Mm-hmm.
till 2023, it is a different license cost for the PPM as well as the CPM.
Okay.
Okay, but now in from 2024 onwards, this it has been linked with the same licenses cost only. So once you take in this ePPM, okay, so under that you will get the PS along with the PPM, CPM, and the ECP connectors along with the innovation management.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So under this ePPM tool, okay,
Mm-hmm.
this portfolio and project managements,
Mm-hmm.
further you going to link. No need to consider this RFC one currently. Just
Okay.
consider if I wanted to integrate anything. So
Mm.
first it will directly integrate with the project systems.
Okay.
Okay, from project systems, it will further integrate with the FICO, HCM, okay, your PP, PM, like that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll take you this one of the example. For suppose this is a one portfolio structure.
Okay.
Sorry, this one. Okay, so this is my portfolio. Say like this is the one of the organization. Okay,
Mm.
maybe you consider as a Reliance.
Okay.
So Reliance is my portfolio. Under the Reliance, I have a different buckets. So what is this bucket? Bucket is a group of initiatives or a group of projects.
Projects. Okay.
Okay, or you can consider subgroup of the projects also. Sorry, sub companies of the whatever the sub company. For suppose this is the one of the Reliance. Okay,
Mm.
under the Reliance may be Geo, one group of company.
Okay.
Okay, then Reliance Oil and Gas, then then Reliance Retail Industries.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one way, or you can also consider this as a group of projects. Okay,
Right.
suppose if I'm considering this portfolio as a Reliance Geo, under the Reliance Geo, this bucket is belongs to my internet. Okay, and this bucket belongs to all my telecommunications. Okay, this belongs to my further any initiative like an R&D kind of an activities.
Okay.
Okay, so under
Basically, there are set of buckets. I mean, projects.
so bucket is nothing but group of a projects or a
Okay.
group of initiatives.
Initiatives. Right.
Okay, bucket is nothing but a group of projects or a group of initiatives. So now what is the initiative? Initiative is also a group of projects. But
Oh,
initiative when we'll try to take, if it is a kind of an R&D kind of an projects,
correct.
okay, then I'll consider this as in my initiative. Under
Mm.
the initiatives, I have a different type of a portfolio bucket, sorry, portfolio projects or a portfolio items.
Okay.
This is the one.
Okay.
Okay. This is actually the last leg of my any portfolio project. So you can also call this a portfolio project. Okay. Or you can also call this an item. The
Oh,
item can be linked directly with the buckets or item can be directly linked with the initiatives. So
okay.
suppose as I said, this is a geo. Okay, this is a geo.
Mm.
Okay, under that, this is my geo telecommunications. This is a, geo internets. Okay, fiber telecoms and all. And this is for
Mhm.
the R&D activities. So these
Okay.
R&D activities, I am linking with the initiatives, some sort of initiatives. Under the initiatives, some group of projects I have.
Okay.
Okay, this group of projects, okay, whatever I'll do, the financial planning, risk assessments,
Mm.
scheduling, and other kind of an activities like a resource managements. Okay, there are a
Okay.
lot of other risk parameters. Each and everything I'll consider this. If this
Okay.
all stages has been approved, then I will convert that into a real project.
Okay.
Okay, these real projects will have a further WBSS.
Okay.
Okay, like this is a whatever the WBSS like kickstart. Okay, preparations phase, realization phase, okay, then go live phase, like that. Whatever the stages you want, you can create further. If you want, you can distribute into the networks or network activities. Okay,
Okay.
further if you wanted to integrate with this MS projects or a Primavera, you can integrate with this PS model, or directly also you can integrate with these items.
Okay.
Okay, so under the item, right, either you can create a PS projects, or there is also called a C project. C projects is nothing but a collaborative projects.
Okay.
Okay, there also you can do the project creations and all. It's similar like your MS projects.
Okay.
Okay, so directly you can link from the C projects also.
Okay.
Hmm? So this is
Okay.
how the high level structure will be created. Like you're going to create a one portfolio. Under the portfolio, you're creating a three different buckets. Under the
Mhm.
bucket, you can create a initiatives, okay, which is
Okay.
specifically deal with all your R&D kind of an activities or any initiative kind of an activities. Under
Okay.
that, you can create a operational projects. This is an operational project setup. But before that, as I said, I have to do all the thorough testing, right?
Right.
Financial point of view as well as the project health point of view, or maybe project scheduling point of view. All these kind of assessments I need to do before I need to create a operational projects. So once this portfolio project has been approved, then I will convert this as into the real project. But till
Okay.
that time, it will be lie under this box only. This box is nothing but my portfolio
Folio
project,
item. Okay.
right? So
Right.
this is every plannings I'm going to do. These plannings I will transfer from here to this, and
Okay.
whatever the executions I'm going to do, like all the actual postings,
Mm-hmm.
like your timesheet bookings, or maybe any JV postings, or maybe your any production orders you creating, or maybe any commitment process you're doing, or any timesheet has been booked, like this, whatever the actual postings along with the sales point of view, you've done some revenue, everything will be rolled out over here, and this roll up will come to from here to here. So whenever I'm going to open, okay, so one report on this this bucket or this bucket, so it will
Mm-hmm.
show me all the relevant projects,
Okay.
okay, in terms of planning as well as the actuals.
Okay.
Okay, that's the reason in one shot, like in one dashboard, you will come to see what is my plant, what is my actual in terms of your financial resources and your schedulings, all the relevant KPIs you can configure, and based
Mm-hmm.
on those you can take a decisions to proceed further or not.
Okay.
This is a very high level which I'm trying to say. For that, we have to do the lot of configuration for this.
Right.
Okay, I'll give you one more example for this. Say like a real estate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can take the any real estate company. This is my portfolio. Under that, I am creating a one bucket.
Okay.
Okay, under the bucket, this is my parent bucket. Under that, there is a sub buckets. One is I am creating for the commercial point of view. Another one I am creating for the residential point of view.
Okay.
Okay, so commercial, maybe I have some office spaces, or maybe I'm creating some malls and each and everything. So for that, I'm going to take care with this commercial part.
Mm.
And there is another one, residential. Again, under that, again, I have two buckets. One is a villa, another one is an apartment.
Okay.
Okay, all these are different locations, not in a single location, but I'm creating this one. Again, I'm going to check the feasibility study. Okay, in terms of your technical, in terms of commercial, in terms of initiatives, plannings, executions, and all.
Right.
So what I need to do first, I need to conduct the feasibility studies. For suppose in Delhi location,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I have created some this kind of an apartments. Okay, so
Okay.
for that I have done some feasibility studies, technical, commercials, and each and everything, and successfully I have delivered that project. Okay, people
Right.
is also living, but the same apartment, whatever the configurations, whatever you have
Uh, Madhu, your
over
voice is
there,
breaking.
okay,
Your
it
voice
may
is
not
breaking.
be suitable to the Bangalore locations or a Pune locations,
Okay.
right? So
Right.
again, you need to do some sort of. Okay, am I audible now? Am I
Uh,
audible now?
your
Is
voice
it
is
clear?
kind of breaking. Your voice is kind of breaking. Oh,
Now, am I audible?
yes, you're audible now.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can able to hear you. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you.
Now is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. No, actually here is there some heavy rain. That's the reason, maybe some network issues.
Oh, may I know where are you located?
Pune.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. No worries,
Not
no worries. You can continue.
maybe sorry for that inconvenience. Huh?
No, no problem at all.
So what I mean to say, whatever you have been done this feasibility studies and all, and
Mm-hmm.
you have been based on that, you are delivered to the this project to the Bangalore locations.
Right.
Maybe sorry, the Pune locations. Okay, but the same project, if you wanted to deliver into the Bangalore locations, that
Mhm.
may be a different aspects.
Correct.
Correct. Due
Right.
to some lands, due to some soil testing, due to some other aspect. There are a lot of aspects, okay, in
Correct.
terms of licensing in each and everything. So
Right.
again, you have to do some feasibility study, correct?
Correct.
But you can create some sort of a templates, okay, and based on the templates, you can change some sort of a parameter. So system will tell you, okay, whether this project, that apartment which you wanted to create in the Bangalore, okay,
Mm-hmm.
whether it is a feasible or not. If it is
Right.
not feasible, system will give you early signs, warning
Okay.
messages.
Okay.
Okay, maybe the soils is not good, or maybe the technical point of view is not suitable. Okay, you may not get that much of an ROI, return on investments. Like these kind of information, system will tell you based on the whatever the inputs you're going to provide to the system,
Right.
right? So like
Correct.
this, you have to create the structure as per the business requirement, and you
Okay.
have to know thoroughly, like from end to end point, because this is the major one, because you have to deal with the higher managements, say like a GM levels or a senior project managers, or maybe a VP levels. Maybe you have
Right.
to deal with the CEO levels also sometimes, or CFO levels, right?
Right.
Based on
Correct.
their requirements, you have to capture the thorough requirements, and you have to suggest how this portfolio structure should be looks like, and you have to create and configure those structures. So it cannot be same for the all kind of projects. Okay, if you're
Correct.
considering engineering kind of projects. So engineering projects, under the engineering, oil and gas engineering is different setup. Okay, ship manufacturing is a different setup.
Correct.
Right. Banking project is a different setup. Financial institutions is a different setup. So everywhere it will be a different. It is may not be same as you think it, right? As
Correct.
per your business requirement, you have to understand the requirement. Then you have to create the you have to configure the system, and then you have to work there.
Right.
Okay. Now, in terms of what is my portfolio management, as I said in the layman terminologies, portfolio management basically deal with the feasibility studies.
Okay.
Okay, for those projects or a group of projects, in terms of your technical, in terms of your finance. Okay, one second. Okay, so in terms of your hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. You are.
Okay, so in terms of your technical feasibilities, in terms of your financial feasibilities, based on that, system will give you the risk assessments, and you have to take a decisions whether you need to proceed further or not. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. Can you
So
hear
can
me?
you? Yeah, yeah, I can able to hear you.
Yeah, yeah. You can proceed.
I don't know. Sometimes it's getting some problems. Okay, this is what the portfolio and project management. So what you can do, you are going to align with your entire project portfolio with the corporate objective toward the scoring models. Okay,
Okay.
gain the visibility in the real times of the project cost, staffing, schedulings, and the results.
Outcome. Right.
Okay, then it has to be processed with the stage gate process. Again, I'm repeating, this is always go with the stage gate process. So what is the stage gate process? In every phases there are some different stakeholders.
Right.
Okay, those stakeholders need to approve
Mm.
based on your financial planning, based on your schedulings.
Right.
Okay, then you're going to assign and deploy or a redeploy, okay, to the
Okay.
your resources. You're going to
Right.
plan, you're going to do the forecastings, okay,
Right.
against those portfolio or a portfolio projects. Okay, what is the discovery of the scores, what is the your source of that, what is the, how you going to manage and how you going to deploy based on the your previous expertise. Okay,
Right.
so all this will be done by the this portfolio and project management.
Right.
This is what we need to do the configuration. I hope you got some credentials, right?
I don't think so. I have any credentials for now.
Okay, no issue. I think Naveen will going to share you the credentials.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll have a word with Naveen for the access of the systems and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. I kind of got a meeting invite. That's it. Nothing else apart from that. Do we need the access for the system today itself?
I will tell to them so you can practice the system because we're going to start today onward from the this configuration part.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So before have you worked for the any SAP kind of anything? Have you
Not,
worked any?
not, not really, Madhu. Not really. This is completely new to me.
Okay. Okay. Once you get that
Mm-hmm.
details, no, then let me know. We'll set up the your system. Okay. So
Okay.
this is called a SAP GUI. Okay.
Okay.
So what is this SAP GUI? Like in background, there is a lot of programs is going on into those servers. Okay. That is
Okay.
a server one that is called a ABAP. Okay. But in front end, whatever you're going to work, that is called a SAP GUI.
Okay.
Okay, SAP GUI. So in
Right.
this SAP GUI, what we're going to do, we'll set up your credentials, okay,
Okay.
user IDs and password. Then
Right.
once you entered, okay, then you're going to log in into the system. This is a front end system.
Okay.
So most of the configurations we're going to do from this SAP GUI, but
Okay.
business transactions, okay, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
master data you're going to enter,
Mm-hmm.
that will be done by the SAP Fury applications.
Theory. Okay.
Okay, so both are your for user point of view. This is for the SAP GUI is nothing but a user logins. Okay,
Right.
earlier in R2 server and R3 server, what we need to do,
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you one more tab later on. Okay,
Okay.
so in that the landscape earlier when the SAP was developed, okay, that is an R2 process.
Okay.
Okay, in that your application server as well as the just GUI server, okay, user interface server has been installed into the two different landscapes. So
Okay.
whenever there is a problem into that, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
system will get crashed.
Oh,
So
okay.
now we have a three different kind of things.
Okay.
One is which is called an R3. Now R3 is not using, okay, but that is a just a landscape. So
Okay.
what this R3 means, first it is in a configured into your ABAP server. ABAP server is nothing but all your application like FICO, MM, SD. So
Mm-hmm.
on background, whatever that you do the configuration and you enter all your business transactions day by day, each and
Okay.
everything, that will be stored into somewhere, right? The
Right.
tables, columns, and each and everything. So that is called your ABAP server.
Okay.
Okay, that
Okay.
ABAP server. Under that ABAP server, uh, wait, I'll show you that.
Okay.
Second, where I kept that document. It's very old document actually.
Okay. So, Madhu, I have a question. Like,
Yeah, yeah, please.
since I'm completely new to this, everything over here is new to me. Okay. So, will I be able to, manage the GUI configuration part, everything? Like, you will be teaching me each and everything, right? Here.
Yes, yes, each and everything we're going to teach you.
Okay. Okay.
So that's the reason I was just trying to, I just message to them. So once you get this SAP GUI, no, then let
Mm-hmm.
me know.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Okay, so let me.
I have pinged Naveen about it. I have not got any response. Maybe they're taking some time.
No, they will provide you. Can you able to see my screen?
Uh, Not really. I am not able to. Yeah, now I am able to see your screen. Yes.
Okay, so this is a SAP landscape. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so come to know this. What is this R3? R3 is nothing but a one box, one server. Okay, so
Okay.
this ABAP, what is this ABAP means? Whatever the applications you have,
Right.
right? Like this FICO, MM, SD,
Right.
PPM, all this will be called ABAP applications.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever I'm going to log in into the system, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so on a background there will be some process will going to happen, right?
Right.
So that is nothing but your ABAP programming,
Okay.
which is a predefined some programs has been developed by the SAP.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. After that, there is called a server. Okay, server means it can be any kind of anything. Like if you are integrating with any third party or maybe cloud applications or
Mm-hmm.
maybe any way like one box you're going to install this all right,
Right.
right. So that box may be your Linux operating systems.
Mhm.
That box may be your MS
Right.
projects or maybe Mac,
Right.
right. So that is nothing but the server.
Okay.
Okay. Nowadays, you if you go to the cloud applications also, AWS cloud or SAP cloud, under
Mm-hmm.
that there they might have a different servers, right? It can
Correct.
be a Microsoft. It can be your Mac, okay, or it can be Linux operating systems.
Okay.
So those operating system. Now you have a client. What is this client? Client is nothing but your GUI.
GUI.
Okay,
Right.
where you going to log in into the system.
Right.
Okay, and you do the your day-to-day business activities.
Correct.
So day-to-day business activities might be if you are a consultant, okay, you
Mm-hmm.
do the configurations, then you do the your testings, you create some master data, business transaction data, and all,
Right.
right? So this is called a client. So client is installed into your laptop or your computer, okay,
Right.
which is nothing but a GUI. Also, there is called an HTTP portal. From that HTTP portal, your Fury application will get linked.
Okay.
Earlier in the R3, okay, ECC, we
Mm-hmm.
called everything you have to do in the T code manners. Everything will go with the T codes. Do
Okay.
you know what is the T code?
Like, is it some type of a command that you type in and you run the, you know, all the, what I can say?
Yeah,
Is
it
it
is.
some command kinds, right?
Some command. Just an
Right.
example for suppose like in your mobile, okay.
Hmm.
If you click on the star has 06,
Hmm.
okay, what you'll get a EMI. Sorry,
Correct.
IME number, right?
Right.
Similarly, in here also, if you type the some sort of a four-digit command, okay, as you
Right.
say,
Right.
the T code. So
Right.
once you click on that four-digit code, system will give you some applications.
Right.
It can be configuration applications,
Mm-hmm.
or it can be any master data configuration, master data entry, or maybe business transactional data.
Okay.
So being a SAP, okay, what there is a three different roles for that. Okay, one is your purely consulting. What the consulting consultant will do, he will configure the system.
Okay.
Okay, like FICO, MM, SD, PS, PPM, these kind of a roles and responsibility we have, right?
Right.
So they will configure the system. Okay, then there is a second type of an roles and responsibilities which is called your L1 level. What this L1 level will do, he will know basic configurations and all.
Okay.
Like your core users, he know basic configurations and all. He will create a master data, but he will not deal with any business transactional data. Now,
Okay.
what is the end user will do? He doesn't know anything like a configurations.
Correct.
Okay, he is a purely like an end user. He don't know anything. Whatever the business will say and whatever you have been developed, he will use that system.
Correct.
Okay, so that is called end user role.
Hmm.
Now, being a consultant, you should know thoroughly of all the configurations,
Correct.
okay, in terms of your models, as well as some basic knowledge of your integrated models, say like FICO, MM, SD, HRs, and all. Okay, basic knowledge into that,
Correct.
but purely into your portfolio and project management tool.
Correct.
So you should know the configurations as well as the business transactional data as well as the master data. Because
Right.
once you going to um, install the system, so first you'll do the configurations,
Configuration.
okay,
Right.
then you will create a master data,
Right.
okay, then you will create the business transactional data. So
Right.
what is the master data? Do you know anything about the master data?
Oh, no. No.
Okay. Okay, let me tell you the master data. First, suppose like if I am creating
Mm-hmm.
some WBSS, okay.
Okay.
So WBSS I'm going to create as in for a template point of view. Maybe that structure further I'm going to use that.
Okay.
Or you know the material codes and all, right?
Sorry?
Material codes.
No, not really.
Okay, so you understand this WBS and all, right?
WBS is work structure breakdown, right?
Work breakdown structure, right?
Right.
So
Right.
just assume like you have a similar projects. You're working one project and might be the another project also similar like that. So
Right.
are you going to create a new structure for that? No, right?
No, because it is kind of similar. So yeah, we
Similar.
can use the
So
same.
you just
Right.
copy the structure.
Correct.
So copying the structure, the WBS, it will be treated as a master data.
Ah, okay.
Correct. So under the WBSS, you might be having some networks and network activities. Okay.
Okay.
And under that, you might be done the some cost plannings also,
Right.
right? So all these will be treated as your master data. Master data means multiple times I can use that for a
Oh,
planning sake, but I cannot use for as any operational point of view. Once I copy it, then I can use for the operationals.
okay.
But before that, I can use this as only for the template point of view.
Okay.
Similarly, for the you created some material codes, okay, some XYZ material code you created. That
Okay.
raw materials will going to use to the some of the multiple projects. For that multiple projects, I am not going to create a multiple this uh, material codes, right?
Right.
So steel is a one material code. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Steel
Mm-hmm.
is a one material code. Under
Correct.
the there might be different grades. Okay.
Correct.
Similarly, some electrical equipments. Okay,
Right.
say like some PLC equipments or under that maybe some wirings, all these kind of stuff. I'm just giving an example. Okay.
Right.
So
Right.
you created some different types of material, say like some 10,000 approximately material you created. The
Mm.
10,000 material code I am going to use further into wherever it is required. So that is a one-time activity for me.
Correct.
Okay, and that wherever it required, I'll going to use that material code into multiple projects. Similarly, if my project's structure is a similar,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I'm going to use that structure into multiple other operational projects.
Okay.
But the structure remains as a master data for me.
Correct.
Okay. Similarly, for the sales point of view, also what they will going to create some customer,
Okay.
right? The customer is remain only one because that customer may be a, I'm going to use that customer into multiple projects,
Yes.
right? He might give me a different activities for me in future, so I'm going to create that customer.
Right.
Similarly, for the vendor, okay, that vendor is going to give me some. If I'm going to give the some task to him, so that
Mhm.
vendor will going to perform for me,
Right.
right? That vendor is also master data.
Right.
Similarly, GLs, general ledgers, this is also master data.
Correct.
So like that, you have to prepare some master data for every modules. They have a different master datas. Okay, they
Mm.
have to perform this master datas. First,
Mm.
you have to do the configurations.
Mm.
Based on the configuration, you have to perform all this master data.
Mm.
Then the business transactions can be happen. What the end user will do, end user will simply just open his relevant activities. He
Mm.
will select the WBSS. He will put that customer. He will create a one sales order
Correct.
based on the WBS.
Right.
Similarly, based on the WBS, he might be created some PR or a PO. For
Okay.
that PR and PO, the vendor master is required, WBS code is required, GL masters is required, right now. So
Right.
all will be predefined, right?
Okay.
So
Right.
whenever you just select those options, automatically it will get appear for you.
Okay.
So that is called your master data. So being a
Okay.
consultant, you
Mm.
should thoroughly know of all these three areas. One is your configurations, another one is your master data. What are the master data you have? Okay,
Yes.
and what are the business transactional data you're
Okay.
going to perform. In real
Oh,
time, you will not going to perform, but testing point of view, you have to perform,
okay.
right? Because you are developing this
Correct.
system
Portfolio.
to them,
Yeah.
right? So you have to
Correct.
perform all these activities.
Right. When we say about the master data, right? So you said it can be used in different projects, which has the similar structure. So it can be used for planning and it can be used for operational purpose as well, right?
Master data, it's only used for the planning. For suppose the one structure you have created, okay?
Right.
Just example, like I'll go with this. This is the one structure, okay? This is called a project structure, okay? Some engineering project structure you created. Just
Okay.
assume like the same structure you
Hmm.
record for the another project,
Okay.
okay? So same structure you will get copy.
Right.
So this WBSS, this networks, network activities, everything will be treated as your master data.
Right.
In master data, you can also do the planning,
Right.
but you cannot use for the operational point of view. For operational, you require a structure, proper structure, where you once the project get released, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you
Mm-hmm.
going to put the all your actuals. It can be scheduled, it can be any commitment process, it can be anything revenue like that.
Okay. All right. Once you copy that, master data, you can you still can perform any modifications on that, right?
Yes, yes, you can perform the modifications.
Okay.
Just
That
assume
is
like this project E1145. Okay, this I am treating as in my master data.
right.
Okay, here
Right.
I have done the some sort of a structural planning, cost
Mm.
planning, revenue plannings,
Yeah.
budget plannings,
Right.
resource plannings, and everything.
Right. Correct.
Then whenever new project is come, this
Mm.
number will get changed.
Correct.
E114 instead of that it might be a C1145.
Right. Correct.
Okay,
Right.
that 45 or a 46. Okay, if I want some changes, I can do into that project, not on this project.
Correct. Because this is master data, you cannot change it. Yeah.
This is a master data.
Yeah.
Okay, kind of in a template,
Correct. Correct.
right?
Once you copy it, you can make any changes. Yeah.
Any changes,
Right.
yes.
Right.
So this will be treated as in my local template or a global template,
Correct.
right? So if the project has been handled by the multiple peoples by the different geographical locations, so that
Mm.
will be a global template. If it is a local image, only Indian peoples will going to use this.
Correct. Correct.
Right. So once you copy this master data structure, you can do the whatever changes you want into that operational projects.
Correct. 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 Got it. Got it.
So that is what this. Can
Hello.
you able to hear me?
Now, yes.
Okay. So this is called a master data. Similarly, if you go to the portfolio and project management,
Mm-hmm.
see in this portfolio and project management, okay.
Right.
So we will also creating some master data, okay, some sort of a templates. That will be your buckets.
Right.
Okay, that will be your initiatives. That
Right.
will be your items. Okay,
Okay.
under
Okay.
these items or initiatives or a bucket, you will do the some sort of financial plannings also. That will be also treated as my master data.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
wherever I want, I will just copy that. So entire my structure,
Right.
entire my financial plannings, everything will get copied.
Okay.
So here just assume like here I started some items is like a 100 or 001 is my template. Under
Mm.
that I have done the all sort of plannings.
Mm.
Now when I'm copying this one, system will create another number automatically. That will
Right.
be a E002.
Right.
Okay, that E002 also have this financial plannings in each and everything.
Correct.
And you can change that whatever
Right.
you want as per your business requirement or a
Right.
project requirement. You
Right.
can change it.
Right. So these master data, so will we be having these master data in the system?
No,
Or
everything you have to from scratch you have to create.
okay. Okay. It's just that you will create a few things and you will have it in your system, and if some other project kicks in, and then if the structure is similar, then you copy it.
Yes.
Gotcha. Got it.
Okay. Or maybe substructure. For suppose like under this kind of a project.
Mm.
For suppose this is my project. Okay. Maybe some subset of this. This is a level 1. This is called level 2, and maybe level 3, level 4 also. Okay.
Right.
Maybe only you require this level 3 only.
Right.
Okay, that level 3 can be treated as an your master data or a template, and you just drag and drop over there, so it
Okay.
will get copied.
Okay.
It
Okay.
may not be like entire structure you have to copy. In
Okay.
between, if there is a some subset, that subset also you can get copied.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it. Right. Madhu, I think the meeting will get closed in a minute or so.
No, it will not get closed. I'm just
Okay.
explaining, no issue.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
So like this master data and everything will get created. After that master data, then you start the business activities. Okay.
Right.
So every department, for suppose project department, they will check each and everything. Then they will release this. Once you release, then only you can start the further activities. Means subsequent department has to start. Like finance has to start their some JV postings or
Okay.
any overhead postings. Okay.
Okay.
Procurement team will post the some sort of an APR or a PO. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, for the production's relevant activities, they will perform their production activities. But first, the project manager or a project team, okay, has
Right.
to set up this projects first. Then only the subsequent department will start their activities.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Got it.
Whatever the day-to-day activities you try to do over here,
Okay.
everything will get reflect to
Gui.
everything will get reflect. This is the one project which you are doing day-to-day activities.
Right.
Everything will get reflect into this portfolio item.
Items. Okay.
This portfolio items will be further linked to your either
Uh,
initiatives or maybe a bucket.
buckets.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm going to run the report, say like I am the VP, vice
Mm.
president of this bucket. Okay.
Right.
So I'll come to know, okay, these many projects is going on. Okay, this is my plan and this is my actuals. Okay.
Okay.
And where I'm getting a lag. Okay. So
Right.
I'll go to see into the same single dashboards.
Right. Got it.
Like that. So
Got
I'll do one thing. I'll not start the configuration from today. Okay.
it. Okay.
I will wait. Means maybe Monday you will get this credentials.
Right. Correct.
So once you get the credential, we'll start the configuration. But before starting the configurations, I think I need to give you some more information regarding this SAP landscape.
Yes,
Not in
please.
terms of an PPM. I think some more information I need to provide you.
Okay. So before Monday, Madhu, I want to ask you if I have to go through anything, if I have to do my homework and come, or any such things, please do let me know so that I can go through that and come prepared for Monday.
No, homework means there are a lot of things, but you have to understand. The one more thing is that I thought maybe you aware of the PS model.
No,
Okay,
not
so
really.
PS model is a base. First, people will try to learn the PS model. Okay, this
Okay.
whatever I'm trying to show you right here.
Right.
This is a PS model. So, okay, so
Okay.
PS model will going to tell you what is the operational projects.
Okay.
So on top of this, this portfolio management will go and set.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So the basic PS, if you know, then
Mm-hmm.
that would be useful. Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Mm.
That is what only. If you know a bit knowledge, and do you have a knowledge of what is the projects and all, how the projects will going to deal?
No, not really, because I was completely into storage.
You are
So
storage, huh?
yes, 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 I was into storage earlier.
Okay. So you know only the material requisitions kind of things like
Yeah, I was totally into core technical basically. So
no
technical
no
part.
are you means the people will come to you your store you going to give the materials to them, right?
Sort
Give
of.
them project
Sort of.
reservations if someone came to you, this
Mm-hmm.
is my reservations of material against these projects. Okay, you are going to assign those material against to those projects or you give that material to them, right?
No, not really. That was not my role. That was not my role. I was into complete technical, like I used to deal with the firewalls, and I used to deal with the domains. I used to deal with the HTTPS systems, all those things. We used to give the storage system, complete storage boxes to the clients, and we used to configure everything for them. And then we used to help them in configuration, everything, execution, everything. And even if they face any problems after configuration, if you know about the Windows domain, everything like that, I was into complete early a different domain altogether. This is completely new to me.
Are you in electrical domain or which one?
No, no, no. If you know EMC storage, then
EMC storage.
servers and storage. Yeah, I was into that. Not electric.
So,
Yeah.
so do you know how the projects will going to deal basic projects like if the some organization has given
Like,
us some requisitions to
yeah,
you to a company?
no, it will be basically like a project life cycle, right?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Project life cycle. It goes through a project life cycle like planning, then development, testing, all those things. Correct?
correct.
Yeah. A brief knowledge I do have. That is the reason I'm asking if I have to go through anything, so I can prepare myself like that.
Okay, so that's what this ePPM, as I said, no, this is a
Mhm.
five different modules like
Right.
PPM, PPM, PS, Innovation Management, and the ECP
Yes.
connectors. Okay,
Correct.
so the basic start for this is the PS module.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so if you have a basic knowledge of this PS module,
Mm-hmm.
then it will be very useful you to understand what is the portfolio management.
Okay. Oh, all
We
right.
will teach you, it is not a problem for that, but if you have a basic knowledge of this project management, not only for the PS, you can consider any MS projects or a Primavera or whatever it may be, how
Okay.
the projects will going to start and how
Hmm.
the projects will get end. At least if you get the basic ideas, that
Yeah.
will be easy for you to grab some knowledge in portfolio management.
Okay.
Because
Uh,
under the portfolio management, we'll also integrate this FICO, MM, SD, PS along with in details. I'll going to show you what is the C projects. C
okay.
project is also a project management. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so that project management tools I'll going to give you all the configurations, master data creations from
Okay.
scratch onwards. We're going to teach you for that.
Okay. So, do you have any reference material so that I can go through this project system basics?
Project system basic reference materials I don't have, but the demo videos we have already. If you can ask to the Naveen
Okay.
demo
For
video,
project systems, right?
project system demo video or this PPT which I'm showing you, right? This
Okay.
PPT is also they have
Okay.
for
So,
S4HANA.
okay. Can
So you can check what exactly with that,
okay.
okay? Or the demo videos is also there.
Okay.
Or if you need this PPT, I can share you the PPT.
Sure. You can please share the PPTs. I'll go through the PPTs, and I'll ask Naveen to share the demo as well, so that I can go through all these PPTs and the demos in the weekend, and I'll be prepared for Monday.
You can prepare for your, even if you try to go with the Google, right?
Uh-huh.
Or in just type in a Google, you will get some basic knowledge of this. Anyways, I'll share with you this PPT.
Sure, sure,
Okay,
sure.
so if you can go through this PPT, so you will try to understand what is the WBS, what is the network, what is very, very high level. Okay,
Okay,
so this is what we're going to, the first day classes, we're going to tell them to
okay.
give them a demo point of view. And further, there is a lot of configuration, each and everything which we need to perform.
Right. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. No worries. I'll work on the basic of project systems. I'll try to get some videos from Google as well. And I've pinged Madhu. You can share me the PPTs as well, so that
Yes.
yeah, I'll go through and I'll come back if I have any doubts on Monday. And yeah, you can teach me. I'll cope up with
Okay,
it. No worries.
so let me check if I can share you now.
Okay.
Yeah, one second. In
Sure.
this something, can you able to see my screen?
Well, 1 second. I moved out from there. No, no, I am not able to see your screen. It's not shared.
Okay, one second. Where is this PPT in my F? Okay, new F. Um, can you able to check? I've just shared over here. Can you able to download?
Hold on for a second.
Share your screen.
Yes, yes. I have saved it in my system.
You can download it.
Yeah, yeah. I have downloaded it. I have downloaded it.
Download it, right? So
Yeah.
you just go through those this one, this
Okay.
PPT.
Okay. I'll do that.
Okay, so here we told you whatever I have told you, right? What is this SAP and
Correct.
all? What is the PS models? What is the enterprise structures? Okay, so these each and everything is there. So just
Okay.
go through
Yeah.
and basic definitions and all everything is there.
Sure. Sure. I'll go through it. So is that knowledge enough for me to further proceed with the configuration?
It will give you a very high level informations. Under this also there is a lot of configurations need to do.
Okay.
Okay, so this will give you only high level informations.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just recently, think last month, I guess, we have started one PS batch. Okay,
Okay.
so one guy was taking this PS demo.
Okay.
I will tell the Naveen to share that video with you if
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
So you can get this. So same demo only we just provided to them.
Okay. Okay.
Right, so you can go through that video. So maybe you will get some idea what exactly the project managements. So whatever we are going to deal, first portfolio, then project management. But the basic is the project management.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Anyways, in C projects, we're going to teach you what is the project management, how we're going to deal with all.
Okay.
Okay. That is also in a project management tool, which is integrated directly with your PPM tool. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from that, if you have a more interested on the PS projects, then that is in a we need to take further.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, sure, sure. No worries, Madhu. What I'll do is I'll go through the PPTs which you have provided. Now I've asked Naveen also to share the demo of the project systems. I mean the basics. So I'll
Yeah.
go through that, and if I need any further help, I'll check out on the trainings which you told about. I mean the project system trainings.
So demo levels, no, you will get some idea. Based
Right.
on that, no, we can proceed further. And later on, if you think like I have to start with the PS first, then we can go ahead. That is the first one.
Sure, 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 Madhu. Sure. We'll work on it.
Okay, so meanwhile, I will also tell them to provide you some server access. And before, once you get the server access,
Mm-hmm.
I need to tell you some other basics also. What exactly the S4 HANA is linkage, because you don't have that much of a knowledge.
Right.
That system landscapes and each and everything. First, I need to teach you that. Then
Okay.
I think we need to start this
Right.
Monday. No, I'll tell you what is the basics, landscapes, and each and everything.
Sure.
And later on, no, after that we'll start this PPM.
Sure, 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 Madhu. That would do.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, do you have any questions, doubts?
For now, nothing. I'll go through the PPTs you have given, and the maybe the demo session if they share with me. Then yeah, Monday I'll come back if I have any queries. For now,
Sure.
whatever the concept you told about the PPM, it is clear.
Okay, so you have also the PPM demo PPT, right? Or
Yes, yes, yes.
okay.
I have the demo video with me.
Okay, there is no issue. So you let me know what is the concerns you have. So Monday, anyways, we're going to clear some other doubts, and then we'll start from Tuesday onwards. We'll start the PPM classes. Okay, so before that, you can go through all these videos
Sure,
and let me know if you have any concerns.
sure, sure, Madhu. I'll work on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Have a nice
You
weekend.
too. You too, Madhu. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.